So we're just outside the forecourt now. We've been given access to two of the cars, the Alfa Romeo 4C and this new BMW M4 in Alpine White. First M4 I've seen. It's been an anticipated car. Wanted to see one for some time now. You got your blue brake calipers, nice interior which we will get back to in a minute. Your M4 detailing, obviously the M4 replaces the old E92 M3 Coupe, and the M3 is now known as the saloon is the M3. Styling wise, I think it's a gorgeous car. So, take a seat inside. Right, so sat inside a BMW M4. Now that we're outside I can talk a bit louder, which is nice. Obviously with the other cars the valeters were just quickly going over all the cars, you know, to get them looking showroom fresh. Yeah, I've said this about every car, but yeah, carbon fibre inside, nice styles. It's BMW interiors have always been not the most exciting, but they're functional, they do the purpose, and you know, they're very nice. DCT dual clutch transmission, that's it, yeah. Usual iDrive system on this screen up here. I do remember seeing a dedication blog video. This did mention about this plastic feeling a bit cheap, but you know, overall as an interior you can't really go wrong. They're just pulling the Wraith out there, yeah. Had to think a bit there. It's got back seats, it's quite spacious. Obviously we actually own a 1 Series Cabriolet. I'd probably say this is a bit more spacious in the back by the looks of it. Yeah. Got the little cubbyhole here. And storage space. Damper settings, ESP off. I think that's like you can adjust the steering wheel how heavy or light it feels. Usual heater settings, CD, that's where you place your CD basically. Yeah, and these just store radio stations. Yeah. Having a BMW, this a lot of this is familiar to me, although these seats are different. Nice. Yeah, I like this. I wasn't too sure about these seats at first. I still do like the sports seats in the E92 M3, and even our 1 Series has the sports seats with the bolsters that come out. But these are rather nice. These are rather supportive and yeah, really comfortable. Yeah. I believe if we open this, like ours, you've got USB connectivity, which is useful. I could charge my phone now. Yeah, and there's this car will have Bluetooth as well, I imagine. I'll take a seat in the back. So in the back of the M4, and sometimes with these 2-door Beamers, legroom can be a problem for me. This one's not too bad really. Yeah, nice seats at the back. Probably not a car you'd want to ride in on long distance journeys, but it's acceptable like. Yeah, there's the quick view of the back. Oh, E92 M3 there. I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but yeah, sounds nice.